Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to paint this. We've sanded it down, got it nice and smooth, got rid of most of the lumps and bumps out of it and the rust marks. There's only so much we can do. Getting close to the windscreen here, it's difficult with the windscreen seal there without getting the windscreen out. But it's mostly for the faded paint more than anything. There wasn't a lot of rust spots on it. There was one main one in the middle there that you can see. So we'll clean this down and then we'll tape it up. Not that bag. We'll tape it up and then get it painted. As you can see, we've got big lacquer peel going on up here, so we've got to feather these edges in, else you will see them through the paint. So we're going to do that now. Right, we're all taped up and getting ready for paint. We're all sanded off and flatted down to make sure that the paint will stick to it. We'll see how it comes out. I've painted things before on cars with rattle cans. I've painted entire cars with rattle cans, but obviously we want this to look really good and blend in well. He's shaking. Time is he?
I'm done.
It's been painted. There you go. It does need a flat and polish afterwards, but you can see it's nice and shiny. Looks like the colour's right. Looks a decent match to the rest of the car. So we'll flat that off with some 3000 grit and polish it once it's dry when we come back in a couple of days. But it's another thing to be crossed off. Get the pen, Josh. Cross it off the list, boy. Goodbye. Next thing to do is, I think we're going to do the welding after we've finished off the Watts links. We'll do the welding. We'll go to the front bumper as well. We've got enough paint left to do this front bumper. Probably should have taped it, but done it at the same time, but completely forgot. The bonnet, we're still looking for one, so we'll see what we can do. Please like and subscribe.
What?
Say it.
Like and subscribe.